So many content creators deal with videos too large to share, a song stuck in an old format, or maybe a collection of random clips that you dream of turning into a polished masterpiece. But every time you sit down to fix it, you're hit with roadblocks. Too complicated, too slow, or just plain impossible. Frustrating, right? There's an easy fix. Stay tuned to find out. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hit it! What if I told you there's a tool that doesn't just solve those problems, but make it so easy it feels like magic? Let me introduce you to Wondershare Uniconverter. This tool can convert, edit, compress, and do a bunch of other cool things you didn't even know you needed. It's sleek, it's fast, and Uniconverter works like a digital Swiss Army knife for your media files. Now, I'm going to tell you 3 ways you can make money using Uniconverter. Let's start with number 3, content compression for web use. With Wondershare Uniconverter, you can shrink massive video files into web-friendly sizes without losing quality. Now check it out. You can offer your services of helping small businesses, influencers, and bloggers keep their websites and social media extra fast by optimizing their videos for quick loading. When they get more engagement, you'll get more yes, so it's a win-win. Plus, who wouldn't pay for someone to get rid of buffering from giant files forever? You'll be a digital superhero, cape optional, just like Naeem, who's charging $60 to compress up to 10 videos on Fiverr. You could do the same thing easily. We are on the home page of Uniconverter. We're about to convert and compress. We're about to compress some videos. I'm going to pick 5 videos of mine, some YouTube videos that I've had in my laptop, and I'm going to compress them. Okay, I'm going to change them from MP4s to MOVs. All right, so it shouldn't take that long. They say it's pretty fast, so let's test it out. High-speed conversion, I have to press, and then I have to press compress all. You see? So let's see how it goes. This is great if you don't have a lot of space on your laptop or you're trying to make space. And I have hundreds of videos, okay, on my laptop. So I'm trying to compress them, save space, save money. So I don't have to pay for so much cloud space. So this is really going to help. If you're a parent, look at this. Oh, you heard it. Ding. And it says finish up top. You see that? It is finished. Wow, that was pretty quick. 5 videos, and some of them were 2K, and there was also a 4K there, and it compressed them. So that saves you money, time, space. If you're a parent with a lot of children, with kids, a lot of videos of your children, you love videotaping your kids doing every little thing, this is great because you can compress the file. You can compress these videos. If you're a business owner, if you have to compress videos or files, this is how you do it. If you're a content creator, this is what you do to save time and space. I needed a lot of space on my laptop, so I have to do so many videos now. So now we're going to check the quality of the video, see if it was compromised at all. So I'm checking for the quality. I got another one for you. If you've ever thought about starting a side hustle, but the thought of doing something like running an online store felt like it was way too hard, it's all good. You're in the right place now. You see what I'm saying? The quality was not compromised. It was perfect sound, picture, everything was perfect. So this is fantastic. Number 2, audio extraction and editing. Turn up the value on the hustle with Wondershare Uniconverter. With its audio extraction features, you can snag the soundtracks from videos and polish them up like a pro. help podcasters and content creators clean up their recordings, transform lectures into audiobooks, or create crisp audio for aspiring musicians. Clients love it when you take their audio and turn it into something that truly slaps, and they'll pay you for your services. It's really amazing at turning everyday videos into audio gold. Just like Cosmin on Fiverr, who charges $850 for editing audio. The same thing you can do with Uniconverter. So now I'm going to check out Uniconverter, more tools. I'm going to go to audio, noise remover. You have to download it. It's an AI tool. And we're going to remove all the background noise. I usually have to do that when I'm recording any type of background noises, airplanes, things like that might be in my background when I'm recording. Okay, sometimes other workers, my team might be making sounds in the background and I need it removed. So this is perfect for me. Okay, you see the credits right there, and we're going to test this out to see if it works. I'm very excited about this. So I uploaded a video of mine with a lot of noise, and let's see. Okay, so this is the kind of sounds I hear sometimes in the background while I'm trying to record. You might hear the Inside Your Hustle team. You see? And I'm trying to see if Uniconverter can take the background noise out, the background sounds. Let's see. Okay, so now it's removing all the noise. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, so this is the kind of sounds I hear sometimes in the background while I'm trying to record. You might hear the Inside Your Hustle team. You see? And I'm trying to see if Uniconverter can take the background noise out, the background sounds. Oh my goodness, it did an awesome job. I needed that. I will be using that. That is a must if you're a content creator. That is a must. Wow. Awesome. Number 1, freelance video conversion services. With Wondershare Uniconverter, you could transform videos into any format clients dream of, whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Imagine saving content creators from the headache of file not supported errors, or helping businesses make their videos work perfectly on every device. You charge for each video conversion and voila, your side hustle is booming. It's like being a video translator, but instead of languages, you're making videos speak fluently across all the platforms. Just like Toronto, who charges $65 for converting 10 files. Now listen to this. With batch video conversion, you can convert 20 videos together. That's double. Okay, I'm back on the home page. We're going to go to more tools. Wow. Let's try a thumbnail maker. Okay, woman holds in a bag of money. I spelled pointing wrong. Okay, at a luxury car. We know what we're looking for. And I'm going to use the comics. Okay. Oh, that's so adorable. Okay, they have a lot of different ones. Okay, let's try this one. Image enhancer. We could do image upscaling, auto enhancer. Oh, wow. Look at the kitty cat. Face enhancer. I think I'm going to use that. I love how they can scale it up. All right, color correction. If you have any old photos, that's perfect for that. Wow, to restore old photos. That's awesome. Okay, let's try face enhancer on me. I'm excited. Let's export my picture. And let's see what it can do for me. How can Uniconverter enhance me? Oh, whoa, I see the difference. Okay. I like that. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be enhancing my photos. Okay, so now I'm going to upload this photo. And now I'm going to remove the background, because they can remove backgrounds. These are great if you're doing thumbnails. And let's see if we can remove the thumbnail. There you go. Remove the background for me. So now I can place it I can place myself anywhere. So this is what a lot of people who create thumbnails do. So this is awesome. Oh, I look at the different backgrounds. That's so cool. Oh, wow. You can even do, see? It's giving me all kinds of ideas. I love it. So now you see Uniconverter can pretty much do anything and everything. I love how they can do pictures. They can convert files. They can compress files. They can do it all. Wow. They can create thumbnails. They can do a lot. Background removal, removing watermarks. They are fantastic. All right. I'm impressed. Great job. Need an all-in-one video tool to edit, compress, and convert like a pro? Check out Wondershare Uniconverter. It's fast, easy to use, and perfect for creators. The link is down below in my description. Make sure you click on it. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try hustling with Uniconverter. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.